Hello, famies. Welcome back to another video. I know it's been a very long time without uploading. Apologies. Anyway, welcome again to our cooking show video. We are a cooking channel and we cook what we have in the house. So without any waste of time, please subscribe. If you can't subscribe, at least like or comment or add or subtract, I don't know, play in the comment section. Anyway, today we are cooking what anyway, I forgot. We'll see what I'm cooking. I'm cooking potato something. I don't know what I'm cooking, but then we'll see. So this is what I'm showcasing my ingredients. You have your tomatoes, your mushroom. I ended up not using mushroom. And your, what is this? Cheese, because you know we love cheesy. Anyway, I'm peeling off the potatoes. It's a problem. Hey, a sick city is sekolong. You will ask if it's B. Grade 2, so please don't judge me because I can okay? Slicer. Remember, I don't know what I'm doing, okay? We'll see. Trust the process. One thing I know, we are going to eat nice, and I beg, okay? My brother, my sister, we are going to eat nice, okay? So again, I'm dicing. Is it dice? No, this is not dice. It's just normal slice of potatoes. And yeah, normal. I don't know what was I doing there. Okay, bake spray my bowl with what is this cooking spray? Yes, and then you just lay your potatoes. Make sure that you lay them nice. You see, I made it clear for you to see. I'm laying. I lay my life before you, Lord. How much we love. Aromat. You know life is aromat. And if you know me or you are a regular viewer, you know that I like aromat. I don't like salt, okay? I said it. I got count me out. Anyway, chopper. Yo, rabolela sham. Chopper onion. You know why chopper onion. And here, melted butter. Now, the mistake that I made, this was a lot. Even when I was eating, I saw, the butter it's too much. So make sure that you melt a very little butter. And then I mix it with milk. I don't know what I'm doing, remember? Because most of the time, I just think of something or I just visualize a meal. It's like, okay, let's go and try this, right? Yeah, I like exploring and playing with food. That's mustard because, I got it from fish and chips. The other day I bought fish and chips and they gave me mustard and I don't like mustard. So I stored it and said, one of the good days I'll use it. There we go. I used mustard from fish and chips, okay? But then, if you love mustard, which I'm not a big fan, it's just that I didn't want it to go to waste. I don't like wasting food. So you can buy yourself a mustard and keep it in your house, okay? Yep. So put it there in the mixture of your laid potatoes and what is this thing? Onion. Laid potatoes and onion. Make sure that everything is mixed together. And put it in your oven. There it goes. It looks like this. Again, I don't know what I'm doing. Let's trust the process. Trust in me. Dun. Then there is in the oven. I don't know whether we are cooking it or baking it because I don't know. Like I said, I can say okay, here I mixed your mushroom powder soup with milk. Again, I'm a lover of milk. I'm a lover of milk. So I mixed everything together. I put it aside. Now, mince. Initially, I wanted to do meatballs. But then, I was tired, man. I was like, hey, let me just cook. Anyway. Ke mola ke khathile mince wa ka mola ku khathile and I don't know ka chela makhura ka ra saucepan an empty pot. There's my, you see, yes, matitše re tšhaba cholesterol a re sa tšhela makhura mantši ke ola means wa ka le a o bona I'm trying to separate them because we are not about to make some relationship in my house. Relationship separate when I means I separate you from your brothers and sisters. Put any type of your favorite spice. When it comes to spices, you guys know that I'm not strict. You can use whatever you want. I know Baba Mobalena, there are people who just prefer, what is this spice? You put it in everywhere, even in your shoes. Instead of putting powder shoe, you put this spice. Baby Jang, the one your bra. I forgot it. I forgot the spice. But spice is so your beef spice and gachela lisa brainyana and parsley. You know that I love parsley. Yo, parsley goes everywhere. I don't know why. But then I love parsley. Therefore I mixed everything together. I mixed everything together in that plate. I mixed everything together. Also I don't understand. This means was very expensive. Still ukraka 50 rand, such a small plate. Anyway, after mixing everything together, Lebon, it's well mixed. What are we doing? It's well mixed. It's ready. Yo, I don't know why is it in black and white. Mara that is not a problem. Ki mix samala ki cheje makura stuff sakala sibona siko 5. Yeah, don't try to cook with a very high heat. I'm so sorry it's in black and white. You're supposed to see when it change colors, but who doesn't know that means change colors when it's tango before ling jaja before ling crucify. Yeah, but before you crucify me, quite tasty because taste. In fact, you get full while you are still cooking, because what if you dish up and when I what so now after edile my onion, remember my mince is aside, okay? Moridera stew, in fact gravy, sorry, gravy, and then kid onion jaga. I wanted them in circles, okay? I wanted them in circles, and off camera I grated, I don't know, is it grate or what, and then dry it. What is this? I don't know, man. Yeah, okay. Preparile mola, and then it's coming all together. And I think stock, chicken stock. The reason why I like chicken stock is because it doesn't make your food dark. Please, how I pay a chicken, never ever use beef stock, because it's gonna turn your chicken into something dark and it's gonna look like a poison. And you know that I don't like food that looks like a poison. Don't cook food that looks like a poison. The only time you can use your beef stock is when you are cooking lamb or beef itself. No beef stock in chicken. Beef stock. Anyway, back to our main purpose. Hey, taster. They are still not ready. Then I put them again, and this time around they were burnt, a little bit burnt, because I was angry. I was like, yo, I don't have time. One thing about me, I don't like spending hours in the kitchen. Let's get busy and get done, okay? Now, mince, do you still remember the mince that we fried? Yes. Now we are going to mix it together in there. So sprinkle it on top. Make sure that you sprinkle it. If can I go to an idol? To idols. Can I get an idol? Idol it means you're another thing that you worship. So if you can the idols, get on feel and check the heat track yo camera where guy, where you going, cameraman, please. So I put my mince there. Remember the mixture that I made? Onion powder with milk. Yes, you put it again. And yeah, make sure that you mix it together. Cheesy. Y'all know that we like cheesy. Make sure that your cheese is there. I didn't buy mozzarella because sometimes you know how mozzarella does. So this one is better. I know it's for bread, but listen, this is how it looked. And yeah, we were done. After it was done, you see, and we enjoy the food. So please make sure that you subscribe, comment down below, like the video, share it with your family, comment and tell me how do you cook your food. Thank you for watching, famies. May God bless you and keep you and bless your families. Make sure that remember, in this house we cook what we have in our house. We are not professional chefs. With that being said, thank you for watching and bye.